Good day, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Eswatini as Voices. This is a podcast powered by Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. I am your host, Mxolisi Dlamini. Lena-ke podcasting lapho khona sinilethele ama-creatives ngosi yami sinilethela nawo ama-associations lapha kwa-arts and culture ukuthi atonibikela phela babukeli ukuthi angabe yini ama-projects lebabhizi ngawo ngikuphi nawe la ungakhona khona mbukeli ukuthi phela yathi udlale lichaza ukhona ukuparticipate ube part of a movement. Namhla-ke sitawungena endzabeni yama-poets ngiphethe yena-ke mengameli wayo i-Poetry Association lekumyona association lephasi kwa-arts and culture lebuwe wona phela boSonkondlo Even. Utawukhumbula-ke ukuthi i-poetry nayo njenge-music inawo emandla ekuthi inspire ihile futhi nje inike lawo mandla phela emtimbeni nasengqondweni. Mthombeni njani namhla?
Awuziphilile Nkosi ninjani?
Asiphile kakhulu Mthombeni. Maybe nje ungasichazela Mthombeni ukuthi ni Poetry Association kahle yini lenibhizi ngabo Even and nifise khamba nifikephi?
Yes, siqale nje sivusele ku-onke amaswati especially ama-artists wona la ngema-poets. Siyinhlangano yama-poets eSwatini National Poetry Association. Si-association lebuke onke ama-poets inhlala kahle yama-poets nekokuthi imibhalo yawo iyakhona ukuthi ithole ama-opportunities lapho khona bakhona ku-showcase through ama-shows phinze bakhona nokubhala bente netincwadi. Si-association ke ye-poetry si-based ku-onke ama-art center lakhona kangwane le yonke i-region inayo i-art center lapho khona sichuba khona tinhlelo tethu. So lokuye kwendeke ukuthi kulama art center siyaye sibe nema open mic session lendeka once a month per region lapho khona sikhuthata ukuthi onke ama-poets sicela ukuthi manje avele kuma art center akhona nakafika lapha kutaba khona ukuthi kulelo langa sitabe sikhuluma nge-topic thite lethinza wona ama-poets phinze kube khona nelithuba lokuthi a-showcase i-art yawo. Nje nasibuka ukuthi iplan esinayo for the year sesivele sicalile kuyona lenyanga lesikiyo Friday lo wakusasa sitabe sikhona la kaManzini i-session itaqala nga-2 p.m. iphele nga-4 p.m. kulalamanye ema-region sitawumemetela ukuthi ama-sessions atobanini. Siyakhuthata ke ukuthi ama-poets sicela ukuthi avele angaloku athi i-association ayikho angaloku athi bo Facebook ukuthi akasitakali kuze ukuthi usitakale ku-association kuze ukuthi wathi ukuthi association yini nekokuthi yini longakubenefita kiyo. Sicela ukuthi uvele ku-art center yakho nasi hostela ama-open mic sessions kulapho khona kutawuniketwa leli thuba lokuthi nawe uphefumule ngepoetry ukuthi naku lofisa ukuthi kwendeke ukhona nekuthola tinhlelo tethu ngoba ukhandla ukuthi lokunye tinhlelo sesitiplanile setiyarola out lomunye sewuloku uyabuta angakabuki ukuthi akefiki ku-art center atawuva ukuthi kwentekalani. Siyakhuthata nje ku-onke ama-poets ukuthi akachubeke abhale andange lwimi lawo nakabhala nekokuthi association ikhona wona ingako nje slogan sethu sithi for poets with poets. Kujoyina i-association yethu nawufika ku-art center yakho lo utawufika kiyo utawufika bakunikete liform lapho khona utawugcwalisa imininingwane yakho and then bakunikete nenombolo ye-association lapho khona i-association itase iyakufaka egroupini yaka-WhatsApp. Kuleyo group ngulapho khona kutawuba khona lama-updates ukuthi per region nakulo kwendekalako and the executive nayikule kuplanele ama-poets ngulapho khona nema-poets atawukhona ukuthi akhone ukuphefumula ngetindzaba lanato letiphuthumayo.
Ngivile nje mholi ukuthi kunethole niplanile lapho khona nifuna ukuvakashela tona tikolwa ikakhulu letinkulu ema-tertiaries angabe yini inhloso yalona lelicwaningo nifuna kulenda futhi nje nibona ukuthi nidawuzuzane ne-Poetry Association kuyo.
Kwekucala lesingakusho ukuthi poetry ichabuke yavela njenge-academic project lapho khona linyenti lema-poems lesilibhalako kungema-poems lapho khona lesike sawafunza etikolweni nekokuthi adlala lichaza etikolweni. Lesi sikubukile ukuthi kulama-tertiary institutions lakhona kangwane onke kube khona loyo munye labo babili labo labavelile ukuthi yathi thina esikolweni kude i-poetry konke lokunye kukhona imidanso music ikhona kushoda i-poetry. Sasesithi ke aseke sihlale phansi i-association sidwebe sibuke ukuthi onke ama-institutions akangwane avula nini nekokuthi sikhone ukukhulumisana nabo SRC labakhona kuma-institutions ukuthi sikhone ukuthi sakhe i-timetable ukuthi lamhla sitabe sikule institution lena kusasa sitabe sile institution le. Liphupho lethu njenge-association ukuthi nase sicede onke lama-institutions tertiary institutions sitababita bete kanye bende one big show lapho khona onke lama-poets lesitabe so-identifyile kulawa ma-institutions atawuta a-perform ukuthi atokhona kushowcase emakhono abo.
Angabe nje Mthombeni ungaphenze usitshele yini kabanti ukuthi injani le regional participation boSonkondlo bayeda are they coming to the party kwasho lulwimi la George Ngosiyami?
In terms of participation ngema-region, Manzini na Wogo region, lapho khona i-participation isetulu kakhulu. Lesi sikubukile ukuthi na seshiselweni bani bakhona. Kepha elibombo kusede labanyende kangako sisazama lokubuka la etikolweni ukuthi ngeke sesivele la etikolweni sitawukhona ukukhuthata sithi ikhona i-association yemakhono, ikhona i-association ye-poet sicela ukuthi abantu bavele. Bese ngakusho nje ukuthi kuma poets siyethemba ukuthi evile ukuthi akhona eManakha Awards lapho khona lamanye ama poets anominatiwe and siyacela lokho ukuthi kulawo ma poets la nominatiwe na kulawo ma poets la ngaka nominatwa siyacela lokho kuqhubeke kuvotelwane kuqhubeke kuphushwana ukuthi kube khona loyo lo winako njengoba sisaya nje eshiselweni siya nase uHope siyana kaManzini ku eManakha Awards siyathemba nje ukuthi ama poets atawuqhubeka ashare lawo ma post awo asinikete imininingwane yekwavotela siqhubeke siwavotele siqhubane sibheke embili.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mthombeni ekusikuthathela usikhumbutele nayo phela insha ukuthi eManakha Awards vela khona sibonile naselubombo lisasasa ngibonile phela neassociation yakho yacupha umlando ngosama poets akho avelile. Mhlawumbe nje ungasicacisela kuna indzaba lesihlupheke kakhulu emcondweni phinze nalani kundleni tekuxhumana Mthombeni ukuthi ukhona inomehluko emkhathini wembongi nasonkondlo.
Kungumbuto lesike sawuthola vele phambelini ukuthi inqumbi yebantu abakakhanyiseleke ukuthi yini umehluko emkhathini kwasonkondlo nembongi. Ekuyibekeni ibe lula. Imbongi ngumuntu lo wenda tibongelelo. Lo wenda tibongelelo bese sonkondlo ngumuntu lona lobhala ngato tonke tintfo. Letincwadzi nje lesike satifundza etikolweni. Tona tibhalwe bosonkondlo. Timbongi umuntu lo wenda tibongelelo khanze ukuthi wenda tibongelelo tesibongo sakibo wenda tibongelelo tengwenyama tibongelelo tendlovukazi kuba ngulo umehluko lokhona.
Shothi kahle letimbongi tigcule kakhulu emlandweni history ekubhaleni kwato kanini niyabuka lapha nalapha ukuthi angabe nje mangifise nje kubhala kukhona nje inkondlo lengikhumbulayo lethi eyibabi labantu lengahlangana nayo esikolweni. Leyo nje iyabuka ukuthi angabe vele empilweni ibuka nje kahle ukuthi kuphilwa kanjani umvuya yaphile kanjani other than kubuka ihistory. Naku ke Mthombeni sekunembongi wena uyipoet uvumelekile yini ukuthi ajoin iassociation yakho lena lo imbongi afune ukujoina ngala ka poetry?
Kuba imbongi nekuba ngisonkondlo kodwa noma ngabe umehluko ukhona kepha leti ndlela tekubhala tiyafana. Siyakhutsata nje ukuthi kuto tonke timbongi nabo bonke bosonkondlo ababuye kusekhaya lana sitawukhona kufundzisana ukuthi lokwakho kuhluke ngani kunaloko laceleni kwakho nekwekuthi lama opportunities lalethwa yiassociation abo bobabili kwekuthi bakhona ukuveta likhono labo bakhona ekusitana bachubekele embili bathathe art yabo bayibeke embili itokhona kuvela esiveni bakhona nesive sitokhona kubona umehluko sikhona nekuletha isupport kibo bobabili ngekwehlukana kwabo.
Mhlambe nje sesitoyisonga Mthombeni phela ngeke ngihambelana njengemphathi phela wayo Poetry Association kwamele phela ngithole kudla kwendlela sinebabukeli imane sithole singwa lesasleplepula ngendlela kuzize nje fahla bathi ngesingisi 5 stanza ka poetry babita ngestanza kane ingane ingomeni bavame ukuthi kune bridge kune chorus kune verse ngalana ngathi ukuthi kune stanza khona ina ngabe stanza longasipha sona vele emengameli.
We are dreamers, in love with our visions, committed to our dreams, yet we're engaged in a war with poverty. Poverty doesn't want to see us succeed. The success we had, you were gated somewhere. We are looking for your key. Unlock our minds, open our hearts, give us a clue. Are we lukewarm or are we cold? Is education still the key or maybe we are lost? See, we completed high school with flying colors. Now we are caged in a black and white university. We came for our bachelors, but look, we graduate with first and second degree pens in our souls, but still we soldier on ngaspeli mandla. Siyaguqa sicele mandla, our Father, who art in heaven, art in us too. Let our dreams be intertwined with your will. Give us the strength to pursue them. Forgive those of us who fail and doubt your presence as we try our best with the dreams we do not sleep on at night. Ring the alarms, wake up success so that our parents may see the day we finally succeed before they sleep. Bone bunkondlo buyimpilo kudlala ngemagama kakusiyo umdlalo lamagama ngalindlala likusasa etafuleni. Lead us as we knock down these gates of exploitations lagu art. We are knocking on the doors of prosperity this year. We are knocking on the doors of success. We are knocking. So knock, knock, knock. And when they ask who's at the door, say it is us, the dreamers. It is us, the doers. It is us, poets.
And when they ask who is in the podcast, it is us, Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. Knock, knock, knock. This is Eswatini Arts Voices podcast with the biggest Omengameli. Knock,
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 no.
knock. Awubabukeli sitawucela wethu bakhona lapho thina sibakala Eswatini Arts Voices lo podcast lo lethu la yona Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. Eyipoem yakho mani mengameli mani ifuna kungizubisa kule ndlu mani kepha ke ngidawuhlonipha wona abaphathi ngoba phela masengizuka lana dawukhanza sengiphume elayinini kepha ke siyabonga isikhathi senu babukeli sicela nichubeke nisilanzeleni subscribe na YouTube channel yethu Eswatini Arts TV lapho khona dawuthola nalamanye ama podcast lesikile sawenda ngakubalela nje babe baningi sike sahlala nabo sikile sahlala na minister sikile sahlala nayo phela induna yembali njengoba nathi uzomhlanga uyasonzela mthimathutana baningi nje siyacela ukuthi nisilandzele phela nakubo social media bethu sikhona Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture utowati wena sonkondlo ukuthi ngikuphi leli mathuba lavulekile lo ngawajoyina la khona ka Arts and Culture njengoba sisebenzisa nayo phela iPoetry Association. Esifuna nekukhuthatha phela babukele ukuthi nikhumbule kuvakashela wona ema-arts centers ethu la khona velonke kangwane njengoba umengameli bekashido ukuthi batayibenta ama-programs kuwo onke lama-centers ikhona kaho esibheki shopping mall sikhona kamanzini la ngase-fitness zone opposite St. Teresa's Primary School ikhona naselubombo ekhathi edolobheni esiteki sikhona nasenhlangano uma ungena nje edolobheni enhlangano ngosiyami sikhona lapha esigodini esinamandla isigodi esikhulu kepha ke lokunye ngalibuka page lethu utothola onke ama contacts ala ma centers ukuthi mawufiseke la ungashaya wente appointment utawuthola bani kepha ke akudzingi vele kahle kahle ukuthi songayenda nje appointment akudzingi kahle kahle sivele uyende kepha nje ungafika utawakhanze ama regional officers ethu la friend from Monday up to Friday nge weekend ngicabanga ukuthi sengilapho ke mbukeli songenda khona appointment uve ukuthi vele ungasitakala yini because ayendeka nema programs nikhumbule ke sinema awards ayeti ma regional festivals kumarinchini ama nominations avela value babukeli siyacela ukuthi phela lama artists la joinile singabukela nini phasa sibavotele sikhipheni le mali sibavotele sibakhuthathe bathi okhona ukuthi iphilisa ngelikhono labo siyabonga kakhulu.